crush current feelings 1st to 10th October. Libra crush current feelings 1st to 10th October. Libra crush current thoughts. Libra crush current thoughts 1st to 10th October. Libra crush intentions 1st to 10th October. Clarify the high priestess. And bottom of the deck is Four of Wands. Okay, Libra, your crush. Current feelings for you is very good, very nice, very enthusiastic, very energetic, and moving towards you, just running. Okay, let me find out where your crush is running. Clarify Eight of Swords. Clarify King of Swords reverse. Actually, Libra, your crush wants to break the ice, wants to break the wall, and want to uh, come in front of you and want to watch you, want to see you from very near. Actually, maybe you are away and you just try. Someone is pretending very rude, very arrogant. So another person wants to make it clear and wants to see from very near that actually what is the reason behind uh, this behavior. So someone is arrogant, someone is rude, and and someone wants to make it clear that why this is happening. There is some story, so someone wants to clarify things, someone wants to know the story behind this arrogance and this behavior. Okay, and someone wants to come out from that negative, not negativity, but that kind of puzzle situation. Okay, someone wants to sit down and think deeply and see actually what is happening. So someone is ready to get to know you. Maybe someone is trying to get information about you. Just something like this is happening. You should know that if someone is trying to observe you, someone is trying to know about you. And as far as intention is concerned, so intention are good, intention are pure, intention are very natural for you. So intention is to offer you something, intention is to give you something. And as far as thought is concerned, but there is one thing also exists, that there is some kind of there's some kind of puzzled thought is going on. Someone is puzzled here, someone is not sure, someone is not sure to what to say, how to say. The thought is very pure, the thought is very good, intention is good, but there is one thing is sure, that there is a puzzled and confused situation. Someone has confusion, someone is not sure about it, what to offer, what not to offer. And bottom of the deck is Four of Wands. So the deep of the heart, bottom of the heart, someone wants to be with you and start a very beautiful life, but there is a confusion. But actually on the other side there is a love exists, there is not surety, but there is a purity and like a very natural feeling for you. So both things are exist in this reading.